Welcome to Supercars. Meet 1, Season 6. In Lane 1, on 4 career wins, looking for number 5 today, is a Lamborghini Gallardo. Lane 2, we have the 2020 Chevy Corvette. This is the car. He came second overall last season by 1 point. 1 point. Can he go better this year? In Lane 3, we have the Lamborghini Veneno. Lane 4, we have the Jaguar F-Type Project 7 convertible. Lane 5, the Koenigsegg Gamera, a rookie. Well, who's the favorite? Take your pick. Between lanes 1 and 3 are all good picks. Let's find out who wins the first race of Season 6.
Gamera hits the flat first. Jaguar's after him on the left-hand side. Looks to the outside. The Corvette's past the Gallardo, and he's past the Gamera. The 2020 Corvette wins the race, going on to the championship final.
Race 2, Lane 1. He's back. The former grand champion, the Aston Martin 177. He had quite the rivalry with the Shelby, who, in his first race back, is up against. In Lane 2, we have the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Lane 3, we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. 11 career wins, looking for the dozen today. In Lane 4, the aforementioned two-time former grand champion, the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. And Lane 5, we have the Bugatti Chiron. This is a fine race. Fine race. Take your pick for the favorite. They're all capable of winning.
The 177 has his nose ahead. Sesto and Shelby come up hard in the middle. It was a very tight, close race, but it was the Sesto Elemento sneaking through for a sneaky win. Well done.
Race 3, Lane 1, we have a rookie. He has 9 minor race wins. He's a very quick car indeed. It's the Lotus Esprit Toby's. In Lane 2, we have a veteran Lamborghini Aventador J. Lane 3, sitting on 9 career wins, looking for 10, is the Jaguar XE-SV Project 8. Lane 4, we have another rookie. That's the McLaren F1. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful. And Lane 5, on 4 career wins, looking for 5 today, is the Renault Sport. Tough race to call. Another tough one. They're all getting tougher. Let's just see who's going to win.
Lotus Season 1, the Aventador's hard in camera. Aventador passes him. Jaguar's cruising up the middle, but it was the Aventador J winning the race. A good victory. Well done to the Aventador.
Race 4, Lane 1. We have the defending grand champion. On 9 career wins, looking for the 10th today, is Toby's Lamborghini Veneno. In Lane 2, we have the Lotus Elise, a rookie. He's won 2 minor championships, very fast car. We'll see how fast he is. He's up against the best in the Veneno. In Lane 3, another rookie, we have the Chevy Corvette C7. Nice ride, very nice. In Lane lane 4, we have Toby's 2019 Kia Stinger GT. And lane 5, we have Toby's 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 convertible. Well, this is going to be a good race. Can the Elise beat the Veneno?
Jaguar Stinger head-to-head on the inside. Lotus and Veneno going hard on the outside. The Veneno's passing in lane 1. The Veneno, the defending grand champion, has staved off the challenge of the rookie to win a great race.
Race 5, lane 1, we have a rookie. It's the Aston Martin DBS. In lane 2, we have the Dodge Charger Drift. In lane 3, another rookie, we have the Chevy Corvette C7 convertible. Lane 4, we have the McLaren F1 GTR. Beautiful. Look at that. And lane 5, we have a former grand champion in the Aston Martin Vantage, Daddy's Aston Martin Vantage. How will the rookies fare? Can the Vantage come back?
Daddy keeps the flat first. Chargers after in the charge in lane 2 has gone past in the Charger. That's a bit of an upset right there. Dodge Charger Drift beating the Vantage. Wow.
Welcome to the championship race, Meet 1, Season 6 of Supercars. We've got the usual suspects. 4 of the usual suspects. In lane 1, he finished second last year. It's the 2020 Chevy Corvette. Lane 2, we have Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Lane 3, Lamborghini Aventador J. Lane 4, defending grand champion, Toby's Lamborghini Veneno. And a surprise packet, we have the Dodge Charger Drift. It's all about the Corvette and the Lamborghini Veneno. They had such a battle last season, and here they are at it again. Who's going to get first blood? Let's find out.
Also tight close races, anyone's Charger dropping off a bit, but the Veneno goes ahead. Wow, that was close. Defending grand champion wins, but the others were so close to beating him.